My dear students of class 11, welcome to the online class. How are you? I hope that you are fine by the grace of Almighty God. Dear students, I am Banik, Assistant Professor, Department of Statistics, Milestone College. Dear students, previous lecture I discussed the mathematical problem of probability, statistics second paper, chapter 1. Dear students, today I will discuss a creative question from this chapter. Okay, dear students, let's start our class. At first I will read the question, then I will solve. Siam and Nafis are two friends. Siam thrown a die at first time and Nafis 3 dice thrown at second time. First question is, what is sample space? Question number B, experiment of tossing a fair coin is a random experiment. Explain. C question, what is the probability of same number of 3 dice? Question D, examine the event of getting even number and the event of getting the number divisible by 3 are independent in the case of Siam. Okay, dear students. Now, at first I will discuss the sample space. You have to know the definition. Again, I will repeat the definition. Dear students, the set or collection of all possible outcomes of a random experiment is called a sample space. Just example, a fair coin toss one time, head and tail. Sample is denoted by S capital letter S. Here number of sample point, number of S equal to 2. Okay. Second question, experiment of tossing a fair coin is a random experiment. Explain. At first we will discuss what do you mean by random experiment, then a fair coin toss, and we define the random experiment in these cases. Okay, dear students, you have to write the creative question and answer noted. Okay. Now, at first, I will write the definition on the board. You will write with me. Okay. Number A, sample space. Sample space, a set of the set or collection of all possible outcomes, collection of all possible outcomes of a random experiment, is known as sample space. Sample space. Okay, dear students. Number 1, this will be right, is number 1. Now, question number B. At first I will define the random experiment. A random, we know a random experiment. Now I will discuss the second question. What is the experiment of the tossing a fair coin is a random experiment. Okay, we know a random experiment that can be repeated any number of times under some identical conditions, some identical condition in any random experiment the outcome of any particular trial should not be known beforehand, should not be known beforehand. Okay, but all possible outcomes should be known in advance, but all possible outcomes should be known in advance, should be known in advance. Okay, dear students, now since experiment of tossing a fair coin, since experiment of a fair coin, experiment of tossing a fair coin, all possible outcomes should be known in advance, Okay, that is any side of coin, any side of a coin, head and tail, but the outcomes of any particular trial but any side of the particular trial, but any side but any side of particular trial, particular trial should not be known beforehand, should not be known beforehand. Hence the experiment of tossing a fair coin is a random experiment. Okay, dear students, experiment. Okay, I hope that you have understand. Now we have to solve the question number C. Okay, you noted it. Okay, dear students, now we have to solve the question number C. If a coin, the total number of the total number of the equally likely cases of sample point is number of A's equal to 6 cube equal to 216. Okay, let event A equal to the same number of the 3 dice, the same number of the 3 dice. Okay, so A equal to 1 1 1 3 dice of 3 dice, 2 2 2 3 3 3 4 4 4 5 5 5 and 666. Okay, so number of A equal to 6. Then the probability of A equal to number of A by number of S. That means 6 by 216 equal to 1 by 36. Okay, dear students, the required probability is 1 by 36. So the required probability is 1 by 36. Answer. Okay, dear students, I hope that you have understand the math. Now we have to solve the problem D. Okay, you write it. You have to write. Okay, dear students, now I have to solve the question number D number question. If a coin if a dice, if a die throw simultaneously then the sample point is sample space is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, let event A even number, event B number is divisible by 3, number is divisible by 3, and event A intersection B equal to favorable set of both A and B. Both A and B. Okay. So A equal to even number 246. So number of A equal to 3. B equal to number is divisible by 3 and 6, 6. So number of B equal to 2, and A intersection B equal to both case A and B, that's 6. So number of A intersection B equal to 1. Okay, dear students, so the probability of A, B and A intersection B we have to write. So probability of A equal to number of A by number of S equal to 3 by 6 equal to half. Probability of B equal to number of B by number of S equal to 2 by 6 equal to 1/3, and probability of A intersection B equal to number of A intersection B by number of S equal to 1 by 6. Okay, dear students. Okay, we know that A and B are two independent. We know A and B are independent if A and B are independent if probability of A intersection B equal to probability of A multiple probability of B. Okay, now probability of A multiple B equal to, so probability of A multiple probability of B equal to 1 by 2 into 1 by 3 equal to 1 by 6 equal to probability of A intersection B. So hence the event of getting, hence the event of getting even number and the event of getting the number divisible by 3 are independent. Okay, dear students, I hope that you have understand this math. Dear students, if you face any problem in this question, you watch the video again and again, and then you have faced any problem, you will discuss with me by my personal ID, calling me. Dear students, this creative question you have to solve and send my inbox. Dear students, thanks to all. Goodbye.